Yo, 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 good morning, everybody. Welcome to Friday. It is a very special day today. We have a very special guest, somebody that we all love, somebody that we all care for deeply, but we also have a very, very deep dislike of him on specific days, like today. Guys, it's William, the birthday boy. What's up,
Yo,
bro?
yo, what's good, people? I was going to say, when you were like, we love this guy, and I thought, he can't be talking about me. He must be talking about someone else. What's good, guys? How are we doing?
We do love taking the mickey out of you. Obviously,
That's true.
we love and respect you dearly, but today it's competition day. We don't care that it's your birthday.
There's no
mate.
love and respect on a day like today.
No, there isn't. Okay, guys, we're going to have a very quick disclaimer, and then we'll get right into today's action. It's a fun day, guys. Really, it is. All right, groovy. You set and ready to go, bro?
Yep, I've taken my performance-enhancing drugs. The
My
kettle is
little blue
boiling.
Your little blue pill, old man.
No, that's later on, mate. I don't need my little blue pill when I'm looking at you.
I need it early on in the day. Get me up and stronger.
Get me throbbing strong.
All right, so
I'm all good, mate. I'm ready to go. The account is ready. I'm ready. The kettle has just flicked on the boil. I can hear it now, so I'm gonna go pour myself a quick coffee. I'm good, man. Got the Apex Brotherhood hoodie on.
awesome.
We are ready to absolutely smash out the markets today.
Okay, so the moment your coffee is ready, we have another announcement.
I know.
So
I know. Well, tell you what. Give me 2 seconds. Let me go pour the coffee. I'll be back.
Okay. So the moment Will comes back with his coffee, we have another surprise for everybody in chat. It's pretty groovy, guys. Come on, like you're going to be amazed and surprised. It's going to be pretty groovy. While Will is doing that, I'm going to quickly just say hello to everybody in chat. First of all, coming in hot this morning is MGN. Good morning, bro. How are you this morning? We've got Pooley. Let the rumble begin. There's a little rumble in the jungle.
Royal
Yes.
Rumble style.
We've got Jurgen. Good morning, Jurgen. How are you this morning, mate? We've got Dave. Morning, y'all. How are you, Dave? We've got Infinity. Good morning, Rich and Will. Good morning, Infinity, mate. Good to see you in at this morning. Alex Butler saying, happy cake day, Will.
Thank you very much, Alex.
Dave, my wife gives me a blue pill so I do not pee on my slippers in the morning. Thanks for sharing. Tony Stark versus Will. Indeed. And I'm going to use my billionaire philanthropist status to absolutely destroy the birthday boy today. And then Joe saying is all good. That's great to hear, mate. All right, Will. Are we ready?
It's like a birthday surprise for me. Unfortunately, it's not a stripper unless they decide to start taking their clothes off. And I don't know how I'm going to feel on that. But I'm excited. I'm excited for this special guest. Who is it, Rich? Reveal him. Or her. Could be her.
So, guys, we have... Will has already said it. We have a special guest in today. And I'm sure you're all going to absolutely love this person. We love him. He's awesome. Let's do a quick little drum roll for it. The one, the only. Jurgen!
Good morning!
Morning,
Introduction, Rich. Thanks for that.
How are you,
Welcome
mate?
to the chaos of the stream.
Yeah, I feel right.
I was going to say welcome to the chaos of a Friday stream, but dude, it's like this most of the mornings.
This is expected.
I brought my mascot here on the background. It's for cheering me up.
Oh,
It's a little penguin.
He's trading out with the penguins today.
Oh wait, let's see what I can give up as my yeah, I think this will work.
That sounds about right. It's like, mate, to be fair, even if you, in fact, dive out of camera for a second. Put that back up and dive out the camera. There we go. You may as well be, yeah, it's like still, Rich is still here. You may as well be talking to a brick wall.
I was about to say, are you saying that it improves the stream?
I wouldn't say it improves. It certainly doesn't change.
Infinity saying hello, Je, and Dave asking, "Hey, where's your hair gone?"
Oh, wow.
That's old age, mate. That's old age.
In fact, there's gonna be a few people in here that knows you pretty well, so that's pretty cool, man. So those of you who knows you, then, dude, he is die is here, and we need no introduction. But those of you who don't know Je, tell us a little bit about yourself, bro.
Well, I'm the oldest, I think, of this bunch on stream.
I'm catching you, mind. I'm catching you.
Yeah, that's why I make my
look
head
it.
short, right? So I look a bit more distinguished.
It looks like the two of you have swapped ages.
With who?
Je and Will.
Nah, I'm not that young. I'm way past that level. Well, about me, I've been trading a long time. When I was a young IT engineer, I started working in dealing rooms of major banks. And I thought it was bloody interesting what those guys were doing with all the fancy charts and stuff like that. So those traders liked some young IT guy actually showing an interest in their work. So they started to teach me a bit of what they were doing. And that was the beginning of the end, pretty much. And I got addicted to the charts and to the whole trading game. And that was, I think, around end of the 90s, beginning of this century. So spoiling my age already a bit. Started with stocks, usually Dutch stocks like Philips and stuff like that. And when crypto came up, I did a bit of crypto, I did some forex, do a lot of gold at the moment, gold and oil. And yeah, happy to be here. Let's get this started.
Yeah, good,
Cool.
man. Dude,
So-
we're happy to have you here, man. Super happy.
Yeah,
to have you
mate.
here. That's awesome.
For those uninitiated, what kind of trader are you?
Low time frame scalper, like 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, pretty much. Intraday, quick in, quick out.
And without giving away your strategy, what? So normally you'd have scalpers or whatnot, but what do you use normally? What is your method of trading? Are you a breakout trader? Are you
I got a better question.
All right, okay, post it.
What are you going to be trading today? What style are you going to be trading today? You know, you're coming up against big dogs. Well,
Decided yet. My main strategy is an opening range breakout on the 5 minutes. So yeah, that range only started to form now. So I don't think I can trade it in the stream because it will take at least like 1 or 2 hours before those trades come up. So that's a bit of a handicap today.
So you're going to be trading not according to your normal strategy, but something completely different today.
I also trade pullbacks during a trend. So I'm hoping to get something, a nice entry on that account. Because yeah, my main strategy is slower. I need an hour to form the opening range, then I wait for a breakup or breakdown, and then I can look for an entry. So that's going to be past the time of this stream, I guess. So yeah, I'm looking at the trend following, catching the pullbacks, and then entering. See if we get any action with today with all the news events still cancelled on the Friday. So that's going to be interesting.
News events cancelled, which is going to be pretty interesting. So we'll see how that goes. Dude, it's very white, very bright.
Yes, that is my screen. That is my screen, mate. We can put yours up if you want to, Will, if it comforts thine old eyes of thine.
Oh, that actually is better.
All right, let's talk rules. All right, let's make sure that everybody's on the same page, in the same book. All right, Will, what is the rules today? Your birthday, boy, so you get first pickings.
Same rules, I'm thinking. Prop firm rules. Maximum risk of 1% per trade. What's our max daily drawdown loss? Was that 10% or was that 6%? What did
We
decide
said
on?
6% last time,
Okay.
so we
So
can
do
go
we
with
wanna
5
do
or
that?
6% again if you want to.
Let's go with 6%. It's a little bit more than the average prop firm, but it's not quite 10% max drawdown. So let's go with the 6% daily drawdown or 6% daily pause, should we call it? And then I'm thinking standard rules, no more than 1% risk per trade.
Cool.
What
All
are we
right.
thinking?
Yeah, no, I like that. Joe, what do you think?
Sounds good. I'm just
The rest of it,
Trying to
absolute
continue that.
havoc. Like, I mean, you do what you want. It's a free for all for the rest of the time.
Yeah, you
I'm
can
shocked.
trade whatever asset you want. You can trade whatever time frame you want, so long as each trade does not exceed 1% in risk, and you have an allocated 6% that you're allowed to lose. And then by the end of the stream, whomever has the most profit will be declared the winner. Whomever is the losers, because there will be two today. On Monday, there will be a little penalty.
oh dear. Oh dear.
Yeah. And sure, if you don't send us a photo, we'll find one of you. Don't panic.
I'll supply some photos.
We'll find one.
And then,
Guys, we've got till 9 a.m. So if you're not ready, tough shit. Because 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, cool, guys. Colors one.
Let's go.
Okay, we have. Wait, do you want to only have 1 hour of trading?
I gotta leave to drive to England. I'm meeting my partner in England, so truth be told, I'm probably gonna have to leave pretty bang on 9. So it may be like, guys, thank you so much. I'm glad that I won. See you later.
Okay,
Probably gonna look feeling a little bit like that, mate. So
fair enough. All right. So let's get this going, guys. Okay, so you can trade whatever you want, so long as it's 1% risk. That is all. Okay, I'm going to also just keep an eye on chat as well. You want to bring yours up?
Let's have a bit of a catch up with chat. I don't know if Infinity. I don't know if. Oh, okay. Oh, that's fine.
Sorry.
Bugger off,
Sorry.
Infinity.
Sorry, I clicked it to drag instead of click to open. But my mouse is double clicking, so I'm double clicking on people's.
Oh, okay.
so-
Hi, oh, okay, fine. Pick someone. Pick one.
Infinity, happy birthday, Will. God bless you always.
Thank you, man. Infinity. God bless, bro. Sure. Hi, sure. At last, a proper trader on stream. Pooley, Sam, like, I don't know if I know you're community manager. Are we able to ban Pooley from watching the streams from now on? Morning, guys. Happy birthday, little Willie. Thank you so much, Barry. I appreciate that. It still feels like a troll. It still feels like your sarcasm.
He is little Willie today. Soon he will be the big Willie.
Yeah, in about 5 hours' time, I'll probably be very big Willie. But in about 5 hours and 3 minutes, I'll probably be little Willie again.
Yeah, he'll be in 5 hours, 3 minutes. He will be very average, perfectly normal Willie, regardless of what people say. Perfectly average.
Yeah, the big one's hit apparently, so I'm just glad that I'm just right.
Okay, well, we kind of got it. You didn't need to like extend it. But we'll give you the benefit of the doubt. It is Friday after all, and it is your birthday.
Joe, how's things, man? What's the news?
Yeah. Just quickly picking at charts, obviously, because I do have to win this one and not to be in trouble Monday.
Musical tiles over here.
Cool, cheers. Okay, so this is my chart at the moment. We can actually bring up Joe's chart. Who would like to see Joe's chart?
Come on. Wait, hang on a minute. Rich. Joe's got the right idea. He's got an actual live chart going on. Where's your MetaTrader? We don't want to see your bloody trading view. Get your... Maybe that's better.
This is I'm trading futures today because I could get easy as demo account there. So this is the futures chart.
Oh, nice. Is that a Ninja Trader?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It
I
is
thought
indeed.
so. Yeah, my brother uses Ninja Trader. I recognize the terminal.
So this is my trading view. I'm just watching gold and oil at the moment. Yeah, they're pretty much in an established trend. So I'm hoping they get a bit of a nice pullback to get in there. We should have traded earlier because I have a nice short entry right here. That would have been fun.
Hey guys, best of luck to everyone. I have to go out today. We'll catch up on the recording. Sam, not a problem, broski. See you later, dude.
Cool, thanks,
Dave's saying, can we see all your screens? Unfortunately, mate, no. It sucks. I wish we could share all the screens because I think that'd be really cool. But no, we can't. So we'll just have to keep flicking back every now and then to see who's in the lead. Well, see who's in second and third place. Obviously, I'm in the lead.
Are you guys hearing something? I'm hearing this. I am an idiot. That's all I'm.
I was gonna say, where's that going?
I was about to say something less camera friendly.
Yeah, yeah. You know what? I kind of thought you were.
Beep.
Literally. Guys, do you know what? The magic of AI is incredible. Brick walls can talk now.
That's true. And so one of us is going to run into said brick wall.
Oh, I love this. MGN, my dad also says happy birthday. Thank you so much, Mr. Butler Senior. It means a lot.
It's his birthday tomorrow.
Oh my god, of course it is. Oh, there you go. Wish him that ditto for tomorrow. Wish him a big happy birthday. And tell you what, wish him a massive happy birthday from the Apex Brotherhood for tomorrow, man.
And it was my father-in-law's birthday 3 days ago.
I don't know him. Joking. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to Alex's dad.
Everyone on this side of the family, like my side, my mother, my father, and myself, versus my wife, my father-in-law, and my mother-in-law, we all share the same equivalent month birthday. So my father and my father-in-law is the same month, my mother and my mother-in-law is the same month, and myself and my wife is the same month.
Wow, that's quite crazy, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah, that's not. Libras and Scorpions, we are the best. You know, my dad's a Scorpio. I'm like, for those of you who believe in star signs, I suppose, like I was sort of, I got the traits of a Scorpio, but I'm a Libra, so I side with a Scorpio a lot of the time. I don't believe in that sort of stuff, but I mean, if you do, then you know, do what you will with that information.
Just you, boo.
Yeah, you do you, boo. He'll have a cigar in his mouth too. Damn right, Pooley. Dude, like I'm already trying to decide which cigars I pack today. Come on, guys, give Will a good kicking on his birthday. So I'm actually glad I didn't go boxing today, because on your birthday in boxing, you have to put a body pad on, and every single person, like, you gotta hope no one shows up boxing that day, because every single person who goes boxing on the day of your birthday gets to put a glove on, or gets to put their gloves on, and they get, like, you have to basically get punched your age by each and every person there. So I'm 24 today. It would be 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 24, from the smallest guy in the gym, like the youngest, the kids, all the way up to the coach. So I actually missed boxing today. I probably shouldn't have, because I was awake at that sort of time. But glad I did. Don't fancy getting this body punches.
Lie, that was also a sporting tradition. If you played a specific sport in school, like let's say you were, for argument's sake, on the rugby team and you were first team for the school, they would form a line and everybody would stand wide-legged, and you'd have to crawl underneath their legs. And as you're crawling underneath, they get to give you a massive slap on your behind. And sometimes it would be
Yeah. We used to do that.
or something like or it would be like with cleats, or it would just be with hands.
Yeah.
And you would end up on the other side of that long queue, absolutely dreading the next morning having to go for a shit or go and sit down because your ass is on fire. So yeah.
Yeah, man. I been there, done that.
So you took any sneaky trades yet?
No, not yet.
Yeah, I'm in a trade at the moment.
Poorly. Pass on my congrats to Mr. Butler for bringing up a great son. Oh, and also Richard. I like that.
That's nice. Thanks, Pooley. I'll bring it up in my next Alcoholics Anonymous conversation where I have to talk about.
I'll bring it up in my next self-hate
about
group.
my uncle. Oh, my uncle was a horrible man. Look at me drinking. Ooh. So how's everybody's trade looking?
Yeah, really nice actually.
It's on screen, so you can see it.
I've over-risked a little bit. It's a little bit better. I've risked a little bit better now. I'm in a goal sell at the moment.
You're copying me, Will.
Are you guys copying me? You guys are copying me, I'm telling you.
You know what? I think you're copying me.
No. Let's see. No, you're copying me, mate. You're smack bang copying me.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I bet you're not risking as much as me. I'm still going to win this.
I'm still going to win this, he thinks.
Yeah. Dude, like, GU actually looks okay. Maybe on a pullback for a continuation down, but that looks trash. EU looks a bit trash at the moment. UK 100. UK 100's flat at the moment. GJ, don't really want to trade GJ, but I don't know why I've even got it here to look at, but let's have a look at it anyway. Nah, trash. Gold, yeah, gold looks okay. New 5-minute open, nice. Bitcoin, pretty trash. Oh god, what the hell? Euro GBP sounds about right, but I missed that, so I don't care. Trash. Euro Hong Kong dollar. Apparently, it doesn't want to move for me. Fair, so we're not going to touch that. This is your Nasdaq. Let's have a look at your Nasdaq. Okay. Maybe there may be something forming here. US 30 probably. Yeah, US 30 trash. Okay. I'm alright with gold at the moment. Gold and Nasdaq may be forming something, so we'll see.
Let's see mine at the moment. I'm going sell. EU, GU, gold, all sells.
Retraced already, mate.
On which one? On gold?
Yeah, you. I mean, you already in 3 trades.
Oh, already in 3 trades. I thought you said retraced.
No.
Are you in 3 trades? Yeah.
I'm in 3.
Come on, son. Let's have a look.
I already showed it, you little muppet. Why weren't you paying attention?
I was looking at you and put an announcement in the Discord, so I looked at it.
Yeah, I'm in 3 trades.
That's looking nice for you, you know.
I'm hoping gold plays along. So yeah.
Oh, bro, that's really close to me as well.
Yeah, that's why I said you guys are copying me. I was in all 3 of these trades already when you guys said, okay, you're gonna go for gold. Sure.
Man, I'm gonna have to find something a little bit more diverse then to make sure that I've got the head of the game.
So Jeur's total P&L and unrealized P&L is also around about $300, so it looks good.
I don't know
Interesting.
I don't know if Ewan's in chat right now, but I've just woken up to a message from Ewan. Or like I've just first opened a message from Ewan from 10 minutes ago. Don't know if anyone can see that.
I heart Asian baddies.
He just randomly messaged me saying, I love Asian baddies. I was like, same, bro. Me too.
Oil is my secret asset because you guys don't trade that.
Ooh,
That is true.
What's your secret
That is
asset?
true.
What is your secret asset, guys? Oh shit, gold's going up. Yum, 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 yum. How many bloody lot sizes do I need to put on this? Try that.
What are you doing?
How about you mind your business, huh? How about that? How about you mind your goddamn business?
Are you going for Naz? Nice. Nice,
Yeah,
nice, nice.
I'm going for the Nas. Gotta do something to be different, you know. I bought right on the top, mind. Like, I mean, highs are on the highs, sort of thing.
Oh, gold is not looking good.
Gold, dude, gold isn't looking good, like, at all. If we can get a pullback, I'll probably scale into Nas. Oh god, I forgot that's very yellow. Very yellow. Oh, that's very bright. Oh,
That's
what?
right.
Gold isn't looking good.
No, it isn't.
That's a fair point, mine. We'll try silver. That's true. Silver is
There's
gold,
only one
but-
issue with silver:
What's that?
the spreads.
True. Spreads,
The
yeah.
spread on silver is horrible because
It's a
it's
bit
not
lower
considered
as
a
well.
very liquid pair.
Ooh, I mean, we could drop on gold from here. Either that
Could.
or either that we're going like this is going straight up.
I have a
It's
hedge
na-
on
it-
it, gold.
now or never sort of thing, you know.
Yeah, I have a hedge on gold.
Ooh, smart. I like that, mate.
But everything is timed.
I cannot do with futures hedge trades.
So you have to pick a side, unfortunately.
I'll pick the safe side. I'm out of gold. $27 profit.
Great stream where none of the traders want to show their trades. I'll show mine.
That's competition, mate.
I'm showing mine. I'm $700 down right now.
I'm $1,000 down.
How? What?
Unrealized. Unrealized.
Okay, fair. Well, hopefully you become realized, and then you realize that you're going to lose to me.
Why do you show
is
my screen then?
also about $400 unrealized.
$400 up.
Unrealized down.
Oh, down. Oh, we're all down. Yay.
Best
Doesn't
user
count
win.
then, huh? It's unrealized.
Yeah, I'm about $800 unrealized.
On gold, I cannot seem to. I cannot seem to see my entry point, but I can see it on the other ones, like on GU and EU. The line itself is not picking up. Oh, it's probably this. Oh, yeah, that is the problem. There we go. Yeah, I found out I was being a muppet. It is not looking Ayoba at the moment. It's not looking good. Not good.
I know this. It's not looking awful either, mind.
No. Well, I'm going to leave my gold trade to just do what it wants to do.
Yes. Okay, so gold. So I'm just going to bring up my charts real quick because I don't think anyone's going to be able to comprehend and copy my trades right now. So I'm in gold, sell. Pretty much quite about $400 to $600 down. Euro GBP, I'm in a long at the moment. And US Tech, I'm in a long. So the NAS, I'm in a long. Euro USD, I'm flat. And GU, I'm losing. GU, I'm in a short.
Yeah. To be fair, mate, to be fair, I think none of us really has a picture-perfect idea of what the market's going to be doing right now, because it's...
Speak for yourself. I am clearly losing. I was going to say I'm clearly winning.
clearly behind. No, actually, you have a few that's in profit, mate. That's... I mean, I think I'm the deepest in drawdown. Yeah, I'm 1,005 into drawdown at the moment.
Oh, I'm not. I'm about 500 in drawdown.
My gold buy...
Hey, Rich, is that
my gold
hey,
edge.
Rich, is that difficult for you being a Muppet? What,
Hey,
being
Rich,
a
is it
Muppet difficult for Rich? No, that's it. Comes second.
difficult? Dude, it comes very easy for me.
Yeah, it's second nature, man.
Yeah.
Rich and Muppetry is just like his weekend hobby, except sometimes he gets to share it on stream with us.
I think I'm gonna start streaming over weekends, my Muppetness.
You know what? I'd love to allow that on the Apex Brotherhood group, but I don't know what that would look like. Maybe we'll do it on the Discord. I don't know if I want to be. I don't know if I want to expose that to the public, mate. I'd feel sorry for them.
Okay, my gold hedge is not going in my direction, so I'm going to cut the hedge. I have realized... $800 loss.
Ooh.
But that's okay. That's close to 1%, so I just need to make it up. Come on. Come on, let's stop
I've gone
making
into
it
1% down. Dude, I was up.
How's Jers going? Still $4 up, but you realized 27. That's smart. You've locked up some profits. That's good.
Yeah, I closed the
Yeah,
gold in like one tick of profit, and now hoping oil will plunge down.
Oh, we've got an oil trader.
Cost my first TP is $882. The second one is $1,000.
Oh, very nice.
I'm at the break even pretty much now. It's one tick, 2 ticks below my entry. So it's looking good. Nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rejections here. See if I can draw the gap I was watching. So I was watching this gap here from its most recent gap. It had a big push down, retrace up and hitting this level, still trying to fill this gap up, but it didn't yet. So it's interesting to see we're getting down now. That's good. See how it goes. And oil can be really wild on these low time frames. It's so volatile. It's can go really crazy.
So Euro, flatten Euro. I'm not doing that. GU is looking meh. it's holding where I want it to be holding. I want to see it drop from now. Euro GBP is in a little bit of profit. It's about $54 up. Gold is holding where I want it to be holding, but I want to see it drop. I don't want to see any more momentum to the upside. I want to see it start to melt. US tech is starting to do okay. We're starting to head back up to break even on the NAS, and that's everything. Over to you, back in the studio.
Yeah, gold is just going sideways pretty much.
Yeah, gold's doing nothing. Certainly on the 1 minute. So, sorry, on the 5 minutes. I'll look on the 1 minute. Yeah, no, I'm not sure. Not too sure about this at all. I don't know if I like this at all. We'll see. Imagine if
much time frame is bullshit.
Yeah, no, I know, crap in it. Imagine if this hits the moon now on gold. You'd be gutted that you closed your hedge.
I'm already like
oil not going the right direction at the moment.
annoyed. Let's have a look at Will's. Also a grand down. Let's have a look at mine. I'm also about a grand down. 1-1. Well.
Well, how's your tables have turned?
How's the turns have tabled?
I love that. How's your turns have tabled?
Well, I'm banking on GU and EU going down. That's what I'm hoping to happen right now. Gold at the moment for me is like up in the air. It's just we got this really nice downward pull on the 5 and the 2 minute, and then the moment we entered, it just decided it didn't want to do anything. So, not good.
Not good at all. NAS is looking pretty good. I quite like NAS at the moment. Gold's looking a bit crap. Euro GBP is looking okay. It's a bit flat, but it's in the right direction. GU, I'm not liking the wicks to the downside. I want to see it melt a little bit more. EU is doing absolutely squat, which is good for my Euro GBP trade, but yeah.
Okay. GU and EU is starting to present a little bit of downward momentum. Gold is still just being gold. I mean,
true
what
that.
can you say?
If we can get like a nice, just like a nice wick, like can we wick down on gold? Okay. I've taken a little bit of something. I've run to the bank with $190, paying $14 commission, so a realized net gain of $176.
Sounds good.
NAS isn't doing what I want it to be doing now. It's wicking. I mean, we're still up slightly, but I need to be up more. Gold, I've still got a position on. I've just halved my risk on it because it's not doing what I want it to be doing. Euro JPY is doing what... Euro GBP is doing what I want it to be doing, just not as fast as I want it to be doing it. GBP USD is doing what I want it to be doing, but now starting to look like it could be wanting to buy. And that's all the trades I'm in. And that's all I got to say about Vietnam. What movie as well?
Well, we have only a fair few minutes left, so we have 18
we've
minutes
got
left before it's
18
9.
minutes.
So I'm gonna have to do something drastic in order to get this.
He's gonna full margin it, boys. He's gonna degen it. Degen as fuck, bro.
Oh man, EU can suck it.
I
EU.
just employed Happis by my dentist. I was like, oh, thanks.
Thank you very much, Mr. Dentist.
Thank you very much. Was you employed Happis?
We should do a longer time frame of a trading competition because 1 hour
Yeah.
is just the
Oh, be cool.
casino entries.
Should we do like an all-day one?
That would be cool. Just start.
Like once a month, we'll do an all-day one.
Yeah, I like it.
I think that'd be really cool.
Oh, and I just got screwed by slippage.
Oh, nice. Ah, tragic. Don't you just love getting slipped? Slip the finger.
Slip the finger. Oh man, EU is not doing anything.
And neither is gold.
Gold
Neither
is
is
just
Nasdaq. Oh my god, mate. If gold and Nasdaq could flip, I'd be pretty happy. Euro GBP is my best trade right now.
Euro GBP.
It's a trade that I haven't. There's an asset class that I haven't traded probably in about a year and a half ish, maybe even 2 years. Let me just get my volumes up because you can't. I know, wrong volumes. Let me get my other volumes up because you can't really see my trades. Volumes, let's go with like a cayenne. Oh no, it's the magenta. I'll do magenta. There we go. Pooley, just come back. Just come back in. Who's winning? I think Jura's at the moment. Jochen, are you what positions are you in right now?
I'm not in any position. Oils. I had my stop loss at entry with a small profit, but it had some slippage, a few ticks up. So I ended up at minus $34 at the moment.
Okay. I'm currently minus $400 at the moment, unrealized, but I'm $176 up.
I'm $800 realized down, and I have another floating 1,200 under.
Oh. So Richard Butler's got his snorkels on today.
Yeah,
so
I'm currently deep in the water.
Yeah, no, he's got his scuba kit on, not his snorkels.
I do have a short ready for gold, but it's just not getting to that level. Because we have little imbalance here at the top of the opening range.
Yeah, man. It is not doing anything.
I would expect it to hit that imbalance and then go retest this level and maybe even this level. But yeah, it's just not getting to that price at the moment.
I'm having one last go at gold because I really do think it wants to go down. However, like I'm going to lose to Jure anyway at this rate if it continues. So this is like
you have to do something.
I got to do something a little bit, spicy.
Spicy meatball.
Spicy meatball. I'm 1,000 down at the moment. No, Euro GBP go up. And GU go down. And gold. Oh my god, gold go down for the love of God, whatever you do.
For the love of all things holy, go down.
Oh, guys, I think I've done something to my right groin. Bloody hell, it hurts.
No happy time ending for Will today. He's got a
I'll just lie down. My birthday, she can do everything. Oh, Jochen, you should have seen my foot yesterday, man. It's black from top to bottom. I was sparring. I was doing combate in karate on Tuesday, and I went to Mike Gary kick someone, and they went to block the kick, and they missed my foot. But as he missed his foot, his elbow come round, and the ball of my foot caught his elbow, and I mean like it was a Mike Gary kick and a half. Like I put some stank on it because he's a big guy. And dude, it rattled me. It rattled my foot, and like the top of the ball on my foot, black. The bottom of the ball on my foot, black.
I know that feeling. Yeah.
Oh, mate, it's still sore to walk on now. Like I woke up the next day and I said to Rich, I was like, Rich, I think I fractured my foot, man.
I can't walk.
I can't walk on it. And like the worst part is as well, I refuse to show weakness there as well. So, like, I mean, like, I was in agony, and I was still, like, jumping around like that because I just refused to make it look like I'd hurt myself.
Yeah, I had those things too.
Oh, man, literally. I thought, Jure will like that. Shit, that was Jure.
I remember from the days when I did karate competition a lot when I was young. And I refused. Like, I remember one game that I just not feeling well, and my coach is looking at me like, "What the fuck are you doing? You're only defending." And normally I was very offensive in my karate, and after a while the referee came to me, felt my forehead, sent me to the first aid, and I had like 40 degrees fever Celsius.
Oh,
mate! I just refused to not play the game, you know.
Mate, woof. Yeah, that's a high temp. Oh man, I'm gonna. I'm clutching at straws on gold.
I hope you're in a long.
Yeah, I am. I've stopped and reversed. Stopped and reversed at a 2-1. And I'm hoping this is just gonna... I'm hoping it's gonna go up, because if we get a pullback, I'm screwed, because I've just put a 1 hour risk on the open of the candle.
Or I would wait for a breakout and then a retest. It's going to take a while.
If we get a retest, I'll get closed out and then I'll re-enter again.
Oh, such a muppet. Such a muppet.
Oh, we know this. Why? But what will humorous anyway?
I put in a gold buy, and as I was dragging the stop loss, my mouse double-clicked and placed it, and it immediately closed the trade.
Oh no, mate, fuming, absolute fuming.
Like, I'll bring it up and then you can see, like,
how much time do we got? Like 9 minutes or something?
Got 9 minutes. Yeah.
As I'm dragging it, it just closes. Bastards.
I'm flat on GU for a loss, by the way. I don't think it's going to do much. I think it's going to reverse from there, if anything. I'm 1,000 down. Oh, come on, Nasdaqy. Uzmaz Nasdaqy.
Me Nasdaqy.
Me Nasdaqy. I want Nasdaq to do something. Gold's doing some nice bits right now, but Gold's doing what I want Gold to be doing. Very nicely as well, actually. I must say so myself. Come on, US techie. Come on, Nasdaq. To the moon, baby, let's go. No, don't do that. I said to the moon, not to the floor.
I think it's going to be like sideways and some price sweeps today because it's Friday, news is cancelled. Just full blown.
Imagine
fuckery,
a Friday without news. Just imagine how boring that Friday would be.
Will is attempting something.
Oh my god, Nasdaq, what are you doing, man? What are you doing me dirty for? Nasdaq, go back up. Gold's doing something though. Gold's yummy, yummy, yummy. Do I put all my eggs in one basket? Screw it, let's do it. All my eggs are now in one basket. I need a minimum 2-hour trade to be break even. Come on, Gold, I'm relying on you now, baby. Come on. Do Big Willie
How much are you
proud.
risking on it?
Again.
No. I'm just asking, how much are you risking on it?
1%.
Like your lot size, your volume.
Oh, 3.
All right.
3 lots deep, risking 1%. So literally at the candle close. No, I'm going to try a very brave strategy in a minute. In literally 1 minute's time, I'm going to try a very brave strategy, and I hope it's going to play out. Infinity, who will win today? I'm a bit worried with Jochen. Jochen, how are you getting on, man? Like, where are you at?
They're still at minus $34.
Okay, so I need to be above break even. What are you floating? you
Nothing.
flat?
I'm just measuring
You're
up
flat.
and looking to enter a gold short there, but
Okay, so I need to be above break even. Rich, how are you doing? Because I know that you're pulling all sorts of miracles out your ass at the moment. What's
I'm
going on?
$2,000 down.
2K down, okay. Trying some miracle juice at the moment. Come on, Gold. Come on, EG as well. I need Euro JP, Euro GBP to at least get a break even. If we can get a break even, that'd be okay. Oh, come on, Gold. Don't start being like this now. Like, we need you to go up first. Come on, we got 5 minutes. I need you to go up for 5 minutes. Then you can do what the hell you want. I don't care if you go around in circles. Okay, come on. Oh, Je may win this from default, you know? I'm sitting $1,000 up at the moment, which still puts me down. Uli, where is the lovely CC taking you tonight? To bed, mate. I'm joking. Well, not really, but... so I'm with my family tonight. We're going up for a family meal in England. And then I'm off to a nice hotel tomorrow. I don't actually know where it is. I know it's in like Nottinghamshire way. No, not Nottinghamshire way. Northamptonshire way. But she won't actually tell me where exactly. Oh, no. I've had to close Euro JPY. Bugger. Oh, that makes things awkward. Now I need 2,200 to be up. Damn it. Euro, you let me down.
Euro let me down. You're a disgrace.
You're a disgrace to your asset class.
Yeah, to your asset class.
Yeah, so I don't actually know where she's taking me. It's a bit of a surprise. She won't even tell me what she's doing for my birthday, or like she's been messaging my parents, she's been messaging my brother, she's been messaging everyone, and like I'm like, oh, what's she planning? Everyone's like, not telling you. I was like, oh, fair enough. I'll be like that then. Yeah. So yeah, I don't know. She's excited about it, but Jochen, what you doing, man? What's news?
Not getting to my entries.
Does anyone know an air taxi company I can invest in which will turn out like Tesla and can take on these mighty Rwandan companies? Right, so Barry's been hacked.
Where is free speech guy when you need him?
He's realized it's a waste of time. Right, okay, oh no, I'm not going to show you yet. We got 2 minutes. If you saw that, guys, you're lucky you. If not, we got 1 minute and 20 seconds. Dude, I took out a nice point as well. Look at that. Took out right at those highs. And then it just back down. I'm a bit worried about Jochen. I'm a bit worried about you, Jer. What's good? What's going on, man? You're too close to some good profits for me to relax right now.
Yeah, it's not doing anything really. Oh, come on, man. Really? I just got kicked out of a trade by 1 tick exactly, and now it's going in the right direction. That sucks.
Rich, how are you looking?
Horrible, mate. Horrible.
I'm just worried that you're going to do some full margin scalping stuff, and it's going to...
Nah, mate. It didn't work.
Did you try it though? Yeah.
Yeah, I tried. It doesn't work.
Yeah, I thought so. I was going to say, being 2k down, I would have been trying anything.
No, I'm 2.2k down. So I did steal a lot of it back. I was down at
nice.
almost 4k at one point, so I've
Oh,
stolen
wow.
it back.
Oh, you've made some decent profit back then.
Yeah. How much time have we got left?
We've got... Oh,
4 minutes.
none. Close all trades, everybody.
Gold's toil is solid from me. If you put up my chart.
I am officially 2k.
Let's get our histories up for today, guys. Everyone, go on today's history.
This was my stop loss. It hit it to the tick exactly, and now it went down.
Oh, mate, that's
so
tragic.
I'm at minus $512.
Mate, that's literally what happened to me yesterday on Euro USD. Except the only issue is on my live account.
Like to the tick exactly. But this was my entry here.
That's gutting. Mrs. Butler, get Photoshop warmed up. You're gonna be busy.
Yep. So I'm officially 2.2k down.
2.2k down.
With,
Okay, so 2.2k down. Get your history up. Let's have a look. There we go. You see it here first, people. Is that net or gross loss?
No, it's the complete profit. Is 2.2k down. It's $1,400 loss and $791 commission.
Okay. Okay. And Jochen, how are you getting on? What's your realized gain or loss?
Minus 512 and 8 cents. And you, Will? Yeah, I knew it.
$307.24 up, $126 commission, $181.24 up.
Nice, Will. Nice. We had to make the birthday boy win, right?
I see. This is what I was afraid of. I was afraid to win today, just because I knew that what was going to come of it.
We don't want to spoil your birthday, and you're being all sad in the party. And
what's that? What's that? I never knew losing was that painful.
I mean, can you imagine the birthday boy on his birthday loses? He's got a groin injury. He can't get nothing. He can't walk. He's got a broken foot. We had to give you something, mate, and at least one win was all we could
I
do.
need guys. What you don't realize, guys, is I actually paid these two at the start of the stream to give me a W. I was like, I need a win today.
Yeah,
Like,
like
guys, this was a horrible week. I'm so much pain. I can't walk. I can't pee. I need
we
a
have
win,
to
guys.
do a whole London session competition. Like just trade the full London session.
I agree to that because last week Will also had us cut the stream short because he's like, "How about we just do an hour? Let's just do an hour." And he's like, "Okay,
Fine, we'll do
fair."
it all
And then
day
this
then.
time again,
Gee, man.
he's like, let's just do an hour because I need to go somewhere. You know what? I think next time we do a proper 2-hour stream on Friday or longer.
Sounds good to me.
The moment
Dude,
you get into the
It
stream,
doesn't matter how long you give yourself. I'll beat you anyway, so it doesn't bother me.
I mean, fair. But let's prove it. Let's see when
Hey,
there's a full 2 hours.
There's the reason
or
I'm
more.
in the finals next week with the Fivers, dude. I'm simply the best. Tina Turner sung a song about me. I'm pretty sure it's Tina Turner in it. Simply the best. Do, do, do. Isn't that Tina
Better than
Turner?
all the rest, yeah?
Yeah, that was Tina. I thought it was. Pooley, 100% win rate, Williams. Yes, mate. Yeah, that's true. Actually, every competition that I've had so far in the past 2 months, I've won them. So 100% win rate. This is good practice for your finals. Well done. Thank you very much, MGN.
On that
Infinity. I already manifested. Yes, they will win.
on that bombshell, you should be leaving, Will. Leaving.
Dude, I know. I've got to go.
Self-insured here.
I know. I've got to go drive 3 hours now. So, guys, thank you so much for all the birthday wishes. Thank you so much for joining us. And I'll leave you in the very capable hand of these two fantastic people, Jochen and Rich. If they want to continue streaming, then they're more than welcome to. But I am off. So, guys, thank you so much for joining. And I shall leave you in the fantastic hands of these two. Guys, take care, and I shall see you all Monday morning.
Cheers, Will. Have a lovely weekend. Enjoy the birthday. Don't do anything we won't. All right, so that's cheers, Will. Now it's just me and Jurgen, guys. Would you be keen to go another half an hour, or do you also? Are you fine? Okay, cool. We can carry on for another half an hour. All right. So
just look at my opening range now.
do you want? Can I add your screen to
If
the?
you add that.
Okay.
Gold looks nice. Here we have the opening range. We already had a. Let's go to 5 minutes. Yeah, we already have a 5-minute candle confirmation close. And
Gold futures, yes. Yes.
this is gold futures. Nice higher low there. We're breaking these. We just wicked above it. So now let's see what the statistics say. Let's see, gold futures, this day of the week, this confirmation direction. How many sessions do we get? 145. Confirmation time was pretty close. So I always like to have like statistics based on 50 plus sessions.
Minimum.
So, at minimum, yeah. So we're looking at 80% chance to the session to be true. So that means we have 80% chance we will not close a candle below this level. Then let's see the retracement, median 0.6 minus, extension 1.4. Most retracements happen below in the 0. Till the 0.6. Extension is pretty okay. Retracement times What time are we now in New York?
10.
New York time 4:05. So we're early in the session. So the most likely retracement time is between 4:20 and 4:55. So if I just draw a box, 4:20, 4:55. So this is the likely retracement time.
So Barry is asking, what indicators do you use, Je? Thank you. And then he followed up by asking, okay, where is this info from? So I don't know if you wish to divulge. You don't have to. I mean, it is proprietary to yourself, but if you would like to do that, you can.
Yeah, so the indicators are the ones I coded myself. And also this statistics database, this website is also what I made. So yeah, that's it's based on all the gold sessions since 2020, I think. These are all the matching sessions. Yeah, so since beginning of 2020, I'm looking at all the sessions that match these statistics. They're all, that's currently with this selection is 57 sessions. And I got a 90% chance to hit the 0.5 extension. Oh, we're already hitting it.
Without retracing.
Without retracing, but that's okay. The average retrace of the median retrace is around here, or the extension, I'm sorry, and the average retrace is from pretty much 0.6 to, so this is the retrace I'm looking for. Like we have some imbalances here during the opening range that it can go back to. This might trade on this one being conservative. Would probably be something like, how do we get if we get to there? It's a bit too wide, I think, for me. We could put it just below these imbalances. It's a bit laggy. So let's see where my 1.5 is. Like that. So this would be the gold London session trade, so that pretty much. And I can still move this depending on, I'm waiting to see rejections on these imbalances on these levels. So if it just goes straight through here, I won't take the trade until I see some rejections on one of the imbalances or at the bottom of the range.
Okay.
This is the most likely retrace time. Retracement time. Yeah, that's if it doesn't retrace before like 5:15 New York time, I'm pretty much not going to take a trade. So price has to go inside this box. Let me just put it another color so it's a bit more.
Otherwise, you believe that it will probably not retrace.
This is the statistically best place to enter. What often happens is that we have this top of the range body and wick size, that if we get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles rejection on those levels, then you can take a trade with the stop loss like here. Then it means that gold's really turning very bullish. But this is the optimal entry.
Yeah. So the idea for those that have been paying attention is that Jurgen basically trades stats, and he has years and years of stats that he himself has garnered and has kept. So I think it helps you remove the idea of emotion from your trades, because you know that you have a statistical background upon which your trades are based. So you know that the likelihood, the expectation of your trades is completely based in science. It's completely based in mathematics. So I think it's a great way to approach trading, is if you have a completely statistical / non-emotional trading style. Not to say that emotions wouldn't affect you. Like let's say you do have a trade that doesn't go in your way, you might be a little bit peed off. There might be a little bit of annoyance, but the trade itself is not based on emotion. It's completely based on stats.
Exactly. And like I'm looking at oil right now. We did have a confirmation to the upside, but we're in obviously a clear downtrend for a long time. If I look at the that's not what I wanted. If I look at the statistics for oil with this time of the day, of the week, and the confirmation direction and the time, we only have not even a 60% chance to stay above that level. So there is pretty much a 40% chance we will close below it. So that's too low for me to take along. What I'm looking for now is for price to break below that level, to create a false day where the breakout confirmation was not validated, was not valid anymore. Then I'm looking for a small retrace and then go down.
Barry asking, what time frame are you basing your data on? 5-minute retracements or 1 hour ETC?
5 minutes. It's all the statistics are based on the 5-minute chart.
And then he follows up by, did you do this in Python?
The scripts in TradingView are obviously Pine script. The web server has a lot of Python scripts to pull all that data. Like every 5 minutes, I update the assets and the statistics. And I currently have Bitcoin, oil, Nasdaq, gold. Sorry, this is the Nasdaq and the SP 500, the Russell 2000, and the Dow Jones. And
so all of this is on futures.
Yeah, this is all based on futures, and like now I can see everything pretty much confirmed to the upside except Bitcoin and Dow Jones.
Yeah, the guys, the stuff that Jurgen is trading is incredibly interesting, especially because it's completely based on data, and he knows exactly if there's a retracement after a true day, meaning that the breakout is confirmed on the true day. He can see the likelihood of the next session's movement based on the first session's movements, as an example. So he's got the data to back up his analysis. And I mean, you are a profitable trader. You can use you use this every single day in your normal trade.
So this is how I trade manually, and like if I'm waiting for oil to break the opening range again to the other side. So then we have a false day, and if I look at these statistics, and I selected only false sessions now, that's 33. Let's see, 33. Then we have a median retracement of almost -3. And sometimes we even, the record in the database is -13. So
but I mean, that's like an outlier. That's like a
That's probably when gold crashed to below zero, like negative. That's probably it. So that's why I'm looking at the medians, not the average, because the median is just the middle of the whole data range.
The whole range, yeah.
50% of the retracements were higher than this, and 50% was lower than this.
Yes. So
on a false day, we have quite spread out when it goes, when the retracement is And the max extension is usually very early in the session. So we're looking at...
On a false day, it would extend very early in the session, and then it would spread out its retracements across the rest of the session.
And that's what we have now. Like we have the candle breakout, the confirmation of the direction. We have, can't see it yet, like almost an extension of 1. I think it's, let me just grab it here. Yeah, extension of like 0.8 by the looks of it. And if we look at the extension distribution, 0.8 is, we're pretty much here at the moment. At the retracement, the extension size.
Which is where the majority of the extensions were.
On a false day, all the extensions are pretty much below 1.2.
Yeah,
pretty much. Then there we have the big majority, and the extension time is also like pretty much before 5 o'clock.
So very early on in the day.
On a false day. So we would expect that after 5 o'clock we will get the retracement. So if I
this is New York time. This is from the perspective
New York time.
of New York. Yeah.
So what we probably see go like probably somewhere before 5 o'clock, we will have the breaking of the range to the downside, probably a pull back if we got some imbalances here, and then it will probably go to about here.
And this is the assumption of a false day.
Of a false day, yeah, because I have 40% chance to get a confirmation candle below the opening range, and then I have a very high probability it will not go back to this upper zone, but it will continue downwards. So then, presuming we got some balances, the trade setup will look like something like this.
Barry is asking, do you have data for stop sizes, or how do you determine those?
The stop size is determined by the range pretty much, or imbalances. So it's not, I don't have that statistics, but if we probably get some imbalances if we go down, and those and the 50%, the half of the range is also a very important level. So I base my stops based on imbalances and candle rejections. And then
I think it's a very interesting way to trade and to keep the information as analytical as possible.
I base it on the statistics. If I pull up my type today. I also have an indicator that creates statistics. That gives you a bit more statistics even, but over less sessions, because it can only base it what's visible on the chart. If we go, takes the time to load. If we go like a false day, like this was the Asia session was very nice.
It confirmed a long, and then it retraced all the way to the bottom end of it, creating a false day.
Yeah.
It retraced back into the dynamic range.
We had a long confirmation. It broke the range. Then it traded all the way back to the top of the range. And there you see like rejection, 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 one more try and rejection. So if you would have taken the trade and be conservative, this is the Asia range, so that's not that. I would probably have put it just be above the previous highs, because it's a very small range, and then your 1.5 would be somewhere here. So that's a nice short day on
oil.
On the overnight session, on the Asia session. Yesterday we had a true day in the New York one. only had confirmation here very late in the session, and then it just flew. One last push to the bottom levels. Yesterday, London was a very weird day because we
It was
had
a false day.
down, confirmation up, and confirmation down. So that was a wild. That's a session you would get hurt a bit.
And then, if you had to say, what is your success rate on your style of trading?
Yeah, it's a lot of market dependence, but if you blindly, let's go to gold. If you blindly follow this way, then you'll pretty much have a 80 to 90% success rate. If you just blindly follow the statistics and don't take a trade if you don't get here, then you're pretty much on 80% profitability, 80% win rate.
So that is actually pretty awesome, considering that it's without the idea of your own confluences, without your own biases. It is purely just follow the statistics. Is 90%.
But it does mean that you don't trade very often. Like you will have days that it will never retrace to either the top range or the optimal entry point.
So you do get days where it just flies, it just picks up, there it goes.
Like especially on gold lately, it confirmed long and it's just hitting this resistance, and there's a good chance it would just fly up without any retrace.
Barry saying, thanks guys, got to go and get ripped off by the vets. Thanks, Jer, great stuff. Enjoy the weekend, everyone. Barry, have a great weekend, mate.
Enjoy, mate.
It's a good one.
Into the wild. Yeah, this is DRIDR, but it's my own take on it and my own statistics and my own indicators for it.
Exactly, I was going to bring up his comment for you. So, you answered that. Like, it's the idea of it's the dynamic range and the internal dynamic range, but it's your take on it. And
it's my take and how I use it, and it's my.
I think the thing about your strategy and the way that you've adapted it to your own personality and stuff like that is the fact that the data set that you have is so valuable, because anybody can just look, because the dynamic range and internal dynamic range is something that already exists on TradingView. Anybody can go and get that indicator and just pop it up, but it's what you've done with it and the data set that you've added to it that gives it its real value.
And I added some things that were not in the original strategy.
Yeah, I think it's a lovely juxtaposition. It's the idea that people look at an indicator and they think, oh, okay, if I put this indicator on my chart and I just blindly follow A, B, A, B, A, B, I'm going to be profitable. And then more often than not, it doesn't work out for them. But you had that idea, you looked at it and it was like, okay, but I'm going to start getting the data. And your trades are based on the data, not necessarily just the indicator on its own, like a lot of people would do. So you get a lot of videos online where people say, oh, I've got this great strategy, just put this indicator on, and then you just follow buy and sell orders, where you actually have the data that backs up
the like on oil, the best trades are the false day trades.
I remember you and I had a little stream, and we actually marked one up, and we were like, yeah, let's just see, according to the philosophy of this or the method of this trading strategy, we should hypothetically be entering here, and this is where the take profit should be. And it ended up being a 12-hour trade.
Let's see if I can find it still.
It's on the Discord. You sent it to me.
Oh, yeah, I can find it. It's still on the chart that we did live together.
Yes. Yo, LJ, it's afternoon there by you already, or should be like early evening, I think. Yeah, it's early evening. How are you, LJ? Will beat us, unfortunately. He did really well, but it is what it is. The birthday boy has to have his prezzies, and in this case, he got his gift of winning. I don't know if his ego could have taken a loss today. Shame.
Probably not. We don't want to
Uh,
ruin his birthday, so there we go.
It is 6:30. Oh yeah, so this is an example of what Je was showing me, and we were basing ours, not basing ours, but like we were following the idea of his strategy.
It's not this one, I think.
It was one of them. There was another one. It was gold, and there was a gold trade and there was an oil trade. I think the gold trade was 12R, and the oil trade was the.
I'm pretty sure we marked up a gold one. Or
I think we. It was the same day. It was definitely the same day.
what day was it?
Yeah, the one was oil. Oh no. The one was the S&P 500.
It was a screenshot in the Discord, so I'm trying quickly if I can find it.
Yeah, so it was the 3rd of this month.
All right.
Fully saying, LJ, morning, mate. In the wilds, awesome, Joe. Are you only sticking on the 5-minute, or do you go on to the lower time frames for entries?
I'm sticking to the 5-minute pretty much for this strategy, hopefully.
MGN asking, have you fixed the little display bug yet?
Nope.
And no intention on doing it either.
I can't seem to find that oil trade anymore.
Well, it was definitely this one that you've marked up now, because this one looks exactly.
Yeah, it looks familiar, but we did have it marked up differently. Because we did have that. I think the entry point. I remember we took the entry point at hit of that lower IDR level. That's what we marked here. That was the original entry. I think. Sure.
It was a false day, and the entry was on the IDR.
Yeah, it was this entry. Because that matches what we marked up. So we had a long confirmation. We broke the session. We went for a short. Then we had like 1-2 perfect rejection candles of that lower IDR, and I put an entry here, and that was a 3R trade. And you say it was the S&P, right?
It was S&P. Yeah. It was the S&P E-mini futures. That was the one that ended up going. That was the one you marked up.
There it is. Yeah. We found it.
Yes, that one.
I'm just gonna.
Dave saying that's his face, not a bug.
Yeah, like we had the long confirmation here. We had the short confirmation, the making it a false day. We had those rejections exactly at the lower IDR level, and we took a trade. This was the first take profit based on the statistics, and it went all the way down to maximum retracement was like 16R. But realistically, you would have probably exited a bit before that.
Long before. And you've mentioned that sometimes you also trade with a trailing stop loss. So you would put, not necessarily on these kind of trades, but you would typically either draw it all the way to the statistics per the extension or the retracement, or you would have a trailing one.
Yeah, I would trail the stop loss. Like after hitting this first take profit, I would put my entry pretty much here, or at the entry level after hitting this take profit, and then waiting for it to create pivot. So after this one, I would have moved it somewhere here, and then after this retracement, I would have moved it here, and then by the time you would get after a while you would get stopped out, obviously.
Yes, you would expect the trailing stop to be hit at some point.
And it's also nice that to see in this one, like you have the London session that goes all the way back, and just at the start of the US session, you see that the whole London session gains are wiped out, and it goes pretty much back to where it started, going down again, making higher low, and then go completely in the other direction. That's the fun that you see often between the London and US session, also on gold, by the way.
And once again, guys, this is all based on statistics. This he has all of this information available to him. He can go and have a look at it and say, okay, cool. There's a 30% chance, there's an 80% chance for it to reach these levels, and he bases his trading around that idea. I think it's very intuitive. I think it's very it's pretty cool. I like it. Obviously, we don't expect everybody to be able to trade like this, but this is Jurgen's trading style, and it really works for him.
So I'm still waiting for oil to make a false day. Got a 40% chance it will do that.
So do you consider yourself to be a bias trader? Do you keep into consideration what whether we're in a bullish or bearish bias or at all? Not at all.
All I care about is that session. What is it doing in London? And as soon as we are in New York, everything that happened in London is pretty much irrelevant. So if I'm just taking the London statistics, so in the London statistics, based on the chart, so that's the last 74 sessions of London, we have, let's see, where is it? 64% true. So yeah, we have a very good chance on a false day. And even if it breaks out, it's after the extension of the first confirmation, more than 90% of the times it ends up back into the range. So we have a very high probability for a false day. And on a false day, the median retrace is minus 1.88. So that's pretty much here. And our confirmation was very early in the first hour of the session. So that's this little table here, at 4xx. Then you see that at the end of the session, we also are likely to get a retracement, maximum retracement down. It's pretty much spread. So yeah, it's looking good.
Awesome. All right, guys, we have reached the end of our little trading competition day and our little information session with Jurgen as well. I want to say thank you to Jurgen for joining us today.
Thanks for having me on, mate. Enjoyed it.
Yeah,
Let's go for a full London session trading competition.
I would love to have like a full day one where we just we start a stream, we stream for 6, 7, 8 hours, and we can see who's the craziest person out of all of us.
Yeah, like my trading day is only starting now, so
yeah, like it's a little bit too early, but like when we started, but following your actual strategy would be very interesting to see it like in real life happening.
Exactly. So
all right, guys, don't forget to drop a like, and you can even post a comment if you want. Don't forget to follow us on the socials, whichever socials is in the link below. And then, there's no afternoon session, but I see LJ is here, and LJ usually has a afternoon session on the Fivers Discord with Void, aka Akram. So don't forget to go and follow that little information session. It's usually also very entertaining. It's very informative as well. So go and have a look there for those of you that are part of the Fivers Discord. And then for everybody else, have a lovely weekend. Enjoy the little time away from the markets. Go touch some grass. I don't know. Go and pet some animals, kind of like thing. Yeah. And then we'll see everybody again bright and early on Monday morning for another week of trading. Je, it was an absolute pleasure having you on. I would really love to have you on again if you are willing. You're welcome absolutely anytime.
And I'll post in the Discord how this oil setup, if we get a false day, how it turns out. So.
All right, awesome. All right, guys, and then with that, we've come to the absolute very end. Guys, we'll see you all next week.